Welcome to the StoryChief Academy. In this video, we'll explore how to collaborate with William, our AI content agent. He is your new marketing colleague, helping you 24/7, optimizing your content marketing. From researching your content, search results, and competitors, creating full campaigns and content pieces, to providing SEO recommendations, William assists you along the way. Let's explore how to collaborate with him. First, open the AI to explore William's hub. Here, you'll be greeted by your new AI content agent. One of the most important components is the Page Configure AI Assistant Company Intelligence, because this ensures William knows everything about your company. Once you are here, start the Setup Wizard to let William analyze your website. Now, we'll see everything you can set up in this page. The first element is the website, and afterwards, the company description, which summarizes your company and can be fine-tuned if needed. Below are the brand voices with the AI-generated brand voice as default. By clicking on Edit, you can alter the characteristics, tone dimensions, or just the name. Click on Save Voice to go back to the overview. Click on Add Voice and select one of the options. Whether you choose the fastest option by providing a URL, pasting some text, or get adventurous by building it from scratch, fine-tuning your brand voice has never been easier. For example, paste some text and click Continue. The snippet of text will be transformed into a complete brand voice. Read through the characteristics, tone dimensions, and choose a proper name. Additionally, you can mark this new voice as your workspace default. Save the voice, and now it's ready to be used. Below the brand voice, you'll find the competitors, the content pillars, and the target audiences. Here, you can manage your list. Here's a great tip from our SEO expert. Define very specific content pillars by adding more details. The same applies to target audiences. By adding the role, the gender, region, or the age, you can truly specify who your content is directed to. After defining your audiences, a redirect to the language page helps you configure languages quickly. The last element of the company intelligence is the custom instructions block, or what we call our expert mode. Here, you can add very specific instructions for William to follow when writing content. For example, avoid using abbreviations in articles, or using a specific dialect when generating content, such as Flemish instead of formal Dutch. It's up to your imagination. We recommend using English for these instructions for more consistent results, although this is not a restriction. Imagine having an additional coworker who's always available to aid you on your content marketing journey. William AI Assistant is available 24/7 to help you create complete content campaigns, do keyword research, draft your strategy, and much more, all on the spot. On your dashboard, start a conversation with him, or pick one of the predefined use cases. Context is key. Providing context enhances the performance of your assistant and returns more accurate results. Whether it's attaching text, adding URLs, or files, giving context allows William to provide better outcomes. William will do the research and present the results on a visual canvas. He can create full copies for long and short content, add images, full HTML, newsletters, etc. The options are endless. Move the canvas to view the full project and click Fit to recenter the view. Keep chatting with him to continue your project, or save the artifacts as articles, briefs, social posts, images, tasks, or even export them to HTML when you're ready. Find your saved copies in your account and jump right in. Want to revisit a previous canvas? Just click the clock icon and pick up right where you left off. William can also create high-performing content on demand. On top of your workspace, through the Create button, select social posts or articles to start creating your next content pieces. Describe the topic you want to ideate on and add attachments to provide additional information that will improve the quality. Select the right language and the specific brand voice. Set the quantity. Optionally, the target audiences and keywords, and click Generate Content. William will craft your ideas automatically. Then, select the pieces you want to keep and assign them a date to add them to your calendar. Hit Create Drafts, and once your drafts are ready, click View Drafts to go straight to your article overview. On your article overview, open one of your new draft articles. William will generate the initial draft for you, providing a solid starting point. From there, you can continue refining the content, make adjustments, or add your own ideas, working together with William to create the perfect article. You can keep chatting with him to make adjustments or click Insert when you're ready. By clicking on the SEO button at the top, you'll open the optimization tools. At the top, you'll see the main keyword for your article. Below, find the content gap analysis, SEO and GEO tools, and plagiarism check. Content Gap Insights shows terms your article should cover based on the most used terms by your competitors, ranked by importance. Click Auto Optimize, and William will add the suggested terms to your draft where they fit naturally. Additions appear in green and removed text shows in red. Click Replace Selection to apply the changes. Below that, you'll find SEO and GEO guidance, with clear, actionable tips to improve your chances of being found on Google and recognized by AI tools. Underneath, the Readability and Structure tool ensures your content is easy to understand and strategically structured. Finally, use the plagiarism detector to double-check that your content is completely unique. What else can William do? Back in the hub, let him generate images and videos. Perfect for making your blog articles more engaging or helping your social posts stand out. For images, simply provide a detailed description, choose an aspect ratio, and generate your visuals. Save to the media library or download. For videos, describe what you want, optionally add images for extra context, and select the orientation, speed, and quality. At the bottom, you can always see how many credits you have remaining. Generate the video and save it to your media library or download it to your computer. Ready to use across all your channels. After creating content, William also helps to analyze published articles and other web pages through the content audit. As this is a big feature, we have a separate video for this. That way, it's easier to fully cover the possibilities. Go check out William, your new content agent, and turn the theory into practice. Curious for more? Check out our other videos.